Hello, in this video we will show you how to connect to an M262 controller in ASMA. Start ASMA and create a new project. Make sure the M262 controller is connected to your computer via USB. Double-click on My Controller. Log into the controller. Press Alt plus F. Continue with Yes. Continue with Yes. The computer is now connected to the M262 controller via USB. To establish a connection via Ethernet, terminate the USB connection. Connect the patch cable with both the computer and the controller. Click on Edit Communication Settings. Open the network and internet settings of your computer and click on Change Adapter options. Right-click on Ethernet USB adapter and select Properties. In the Internet protocol, you will find the IP address and subnet mask of your computer. Enter an IP address in the communication settings, which is located in the same network as the computer. Refresh the communication list. Now it is possible to log into the M262. An Ethernet connection has been established.